Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for an organic chickpea option to stock your pantry? I want to show you these from GOYA. I love these chickpeas because they are so simple. These are just organic chickpeas, water, and salt in this can. So these are just high quality chickpeas or garbanzo beans that you can use in lots of different things. So I love that they are already cooked and prepared, so it makes it really easy to just open the can and add them to all your favorite recipes. So I use them in so many different things. Sometimes I'll just put them on a salad. I'll put them in soups or stews, something that could use a little bit of extra protein and fiber. I also absolutely love to use them to make hummus. It's my favorite way to use them. So if you're looking for a nice quality organic chickpea to keep in your pantry for days when maybe you're a little short on time and you want to add a nice healthy protein, then I would definitely check out these GOYA Organics chickpeas, and that is my point of view.